I am about to give some food to my magpie friend who's just come to visit. This is a lady magpie, and you can tell because when she turns around, I'm just trying to figure out if I can throw cat biscuits with my left hand. You can see she has a grey back of the neck. I don't know if you can, I hope you can see it. Whereas if she was male, that would all be solid white. In the juvenile, that's grey as well, but so is the chest feathers. She has different markings to the birds at my old place. I'm not sure if only the males sing, but she hasn't sung for me yet. That'd be nice. I miss their singing. I am hoping that at some point she'll bring her friends or family along. I know there's some baby magpies nearby. I could hear them. Oh, actually, you can sort of hear them in the distance. They make like a quack, quack, quack sound. It's really annoying when it's too close by. There you go. Good girl. She's so pretty. See their big red eyes? So pretty. That beak. Their beaks are so strong and so sharp. We had a rescued one that we were looking after for wires at one point. And when they peck, it like bleeds. That smart face. I wish you'd sing. Bye, bird bird. This is an Australian blackbird. It's a really long way away, so it's zoomed in quite far. I'm breathing and it's shaking the camera. He digs holes in the ground. Oh, bye. Okay. Hello, little sparrow. You're so cute. Oh, Galaz. Sorry for the shaky. Ooh. So fluffy and pink. These guys usually eat all the grass. So as you drive along in the early morning, you see flocks of them on the lawns, eating the roots of the grass. They're so fluffy. And when they fly off, they're like a little pink cloud. Bye. Flora has to supervise our outside endeavours. She's actually visible in daylight. Funny that.